If you see the check brake pad wear warning in your Mercedes vehicle, it means that the little brake pad wear sensor is sending wrong readings into the system. First of all, if you see this warning after you had the brake pads replaced, it's very likely that the brake wear sensors haven't been replaced. The thing is that these sensors should only be used once. If they triggered the light, they need to be replaced, since the worn out brake pad basically destroys them. If you have some time and can work with a multimeter, you can measure resistance between the two pins in the sensor's connectors. The resistance should be between 2 and 4 ohms, while a broken sensor will read 100 plus ohms. So you can basically replace just the sensor that is broken this way. Secondly, these sensors may actually be broken, disconnected, or their connectors may get corroded easily. So if you see the check brake pad warning, but the brake pads do seem to have a decent thickness of the brake material, this is most likely one of the sensors being broken. Again, you can just jack up your car, take off the wheel and look at these sensors, and also use a multimeter to see which sensor malfunctions. Fortunately, these sensors are like $20 or euros. A lot of people wonder how you should reset this warning after you've replaced the brake pads. Well, it will reset on its own once all 4 brake pad wear sensors send proper readings to the system. So if you still see the warning, there is something wrong with one of them. Originally, Mercedes repair manuals say to replace the sensor anytime the pads are replaced. But actually, if you measure their resistance and they read like 2 ohms, there is no need to replace them. So you may save 40 or 60 euros just by replacing the one that is actually broken.